Good morning, students. So, this is the seventh part of this chapter. Small rivers flowing towards the west. Because I said to you, students, there are some rivers which are flowing in uh, eastern side, and there are some rivers which are flowing in western side. So here some rivers flows in this portion and some of the rivers flows in drains in Bay of Bengal. So here we'll discuss about the smaller rivers flowing towards the west, okay, in this portion. Okay, I'll show you it through the map. So here you can see on this map, yeah, so there are some rivers which are flowing in this portion. Clear? So you can see here some rivers are like Sabarmati rivers, Mahi rivers, Narmada river, Tapi river, and then you have here some of the rivers. Short rivers are there because this is the Western Ghat portion. Even Indus river also flows in this, and Luni river also. Okay, so we'll see here. Okay, so the rivers flowing towards the Arabian Sea have short course because the rivers which are flowing in western side, these are in short course. Why do they have short course? Find out the smaller rivers of Gujarat like Sabarmati river. Okay, Shatruji is one of such river which rises near Dakhawa in Amreli district. Okay, and Dadar rises near Ghantar village in Panchmahal district. So these are the some short rivers which I already told you about, the Sabarmati and Mahi. इसको याद रखिएगा. ये जो river है, these rivers are in Gujarat. Okay, these are the famous rivers. साबरमती याद रखिएगा क्योंकि गांधी जी का जो दांडी मार्च हुआ था, it was in Sabarmati only. And then next is the Vetarana rises from Trimbak Hills in Nasik district. Okay, elevation of 670 meter. Then Kalindi rises from, एक कालिंदी रिवर है जो बेलगाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में से राइज होता है. एंड देन यू हैव हुबली, धारवाड़ एंड ट्रेवर्सेस कोर्स. इनका कोर्स है 161 किलोमीटर. देन शारावती, another important river in Karnataka. Okay, so you have to learn these names. Then Shimoga district से originate होती है शारावती. Okay, catchment area है 2209 square kilometer. So here is a question. Find out the name of the river on which the Garsopa Jog Fall is found. So you have to find out this answer. Clear, students? You can mention in the comment box also when you will watch this video. So Goa has two important rivers. अब गोवा में भी there are two rivers, important rivers. One is Mandavi, another is Juari. So you can locate them on the map. Because I already told you, Mandavi, why it is famous, because it moves to eastern side, but because of the valley, okay, there is a valley, because of it, you can see it takes U-turn and drains into Arabian Sea. Okay, this is Mandavi river. Next is Kerala. Next state is Kerala. Now Kerala has a narrow coastline. Longest river of Kerala like Bharatpuja. ये सारे rivers मैं already आपको बता चुकी हूँ. River, when I explain the peninsular rivers, that time I explain about these short rivers also. Okay, and Bharatpuja rises near Annamalai Hills. It is also known as Ponani. Okay, drains an area 5397 square kilometer. Then next is Periyar. Periyar is the second largest river of Kerala. केरला की second largest river है ये. कैचमेंट इसका एरिया है 5243 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. ओके, एंड अनदर रिवर ऑफ केरला वर्थ मेंशनिंग इज पाम्बा रिवर which falls in the Vemmo-Benard lake after traversing a course of 177 kilometer. Okay, so catchment area square kilometer में it has given here in the table. There are some rivers names, you can see it. Study this table everyone. Okay, now next is the small rivers flowing towards the east. Now before this we studied about the small rivers flowing in west side. Now we'll discuss about the rivers which are flowing towards the east side. Okay, now because we'll discuss it firstly. There are a large number of rivers flowing towards the east along with their tributaries. Because of the tributaries जो water का volume है इन्हीं की वजह से क्या होता है, high हो जाता है. So there are some small rivers which join the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so you can see here the Subarnarekha, Baitarani, Brahmini, Vamasadhara, Penar, Dapalar and Vegai are important rivers. Find out these rivers from the atlas. You have to find out these rivers in atlas. Okay, and study this table also. Now river enzymes. Now what is river enzymes here? So here river enzymes we can say quantity of water flowing in river, कि कितना water जो है एक water flow होता है. River channel is not the same throughout the year because you can see if river flows from east to west, okay, north to south, okay, eastern portion to western portion, so जो वॉल्यूम है वाटर का, ठीक है, वो पूरे होल ईयर वी कैन नॉट सी द सेम कंडीशन ऑफ रिवर. ओके, वाटर जो वॉल्यूम है वो सेम नहीं रहता है. क्लियर? सो वी कैन सी दिस द पैटर्न ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ वाटर इन द रिवर चैनल ओवर ईयर इज़ नोन एज इट्स रिजाइम्स. किस पैटर्न में वो वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है, ठीक है, एंड पूरे ईयर कितना वाटर उसमें फ्लो कर रहा है, is called water river regimes. North Indian rivers originating from the Himalayas. So these are the perennial. Okay, perennial, the river which flows whole year, it is called perennial. Okay, and the rivers which are depending on rainfall, so these are the seasonal. These rivers are seasonal, and most of the rivers, especially peninsular rivers, are seasonal. Okay, so the flow increases considerably during monsoon season. We can see peninsular river का जो flow होता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ only you can see in the rainy season. Okay, so regime of rivers of South India is controlled by rainfall, which flows also varies from one part of the peninsular plateau to other. Okay, discharge is the volume of water flowing in the river measured over time. Because discharge, where river drains into, in which side, okay, in which direction, so it measured either in causes cubic feet per second, जो इसको measure किया जाता है. Next is the Ganga has its minimum flow during January to June. जनवरी टू जून जो है इसका मिनिमम फ्लो रहता है. वाई? बिकॉज दिस टाइम हिमालयाज़ में जो है आइस सॉलिड फॉर्म में होते हैं. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड melting, glacier started melting, then we can see the volume of water increase. Okay, especially from July to September we can see extra water in this river. So there is a steady fall in the flow. Okay, the students, you have to read this portion because through the months it has mentioned कितना पानी, कितना वाटर जो है वो डिस्चार्ज होता है, कितना वाटर का वॉल्यूम कितना इंक्रीज होता है. इट हैज़ मेंशन इन दिस पैराग्राफ. Extent of usability of river water. Okay. So extent of usability of water, river water means the rivers of India carry huge volumes of water per year. Okay. जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है इन बोथ टाइम एंड स्पेस के अकॉर्डिंग. सो देयर पेरेनियल रिवर्स. पेरेनियल रिवर्स, you have to give answer of this question. What is perennial rivers? What does it mean? Drying water throughout the year, okay, which flows whole year. So during the rainy season, much of the water is wasted in floods and flows down to the sea. Because during the rainy season, you can see water का जो वॉल्यूम होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. That's why the main cause of this, main इसका जो मेन लॉस जो होता है ह्यूमंस को, वो होता है फ्लड. Okay, and when there is a flood in one part of country, the other area suffers from drought. If in an area water rain अगर फॉल ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो इट मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं ड्रेन ड्रॉट की भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Okay, so other areas suffers from drought. Why does it happen? Because it is a problem of availability of water resource of, because there is a process in first book you will study about this कि जो water जो rainfall होता है वो किस तरीके से होता है. The formation, the concept you will study in first book. Okay, so can these problems be solved or minimized by transferring the surplus water from one basin to the water deficit basin? Because most of the time we can see कि in especially in rainy season we can see the जो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है वो ज़्यादा rainy season में ही होता है. Okay, so next is so we have to, there are some following problems in using river water, because here we can see one is no availability in sufficient quantity. Water we have, lots of water we have, but the water is for for domestic use, like for drinking. क्या हम वो वाटर को पानी पीने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं? नेक्स्ट इज रिवर वाटर पोल्यूशन. बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इन लाइव क्लास वी डिस्कस अबाउट द पोल्यूशन. ओके, व्हाट पीपल डू. लोड ऑफ सिल्ट इन द रिवर वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा है. अनइवन सीजनल फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. ओके, अनइवन सीजनल फ्लो ऑफ वाटर मीन्स समटाइम्स वी कैन सी रिवर में वाटर ही नहीं होता है, पूरी तरीके से कम्प्लीटली सूख जाते हैं, और कभी हमें सीजन वाइज देखते हैं तो बहुत एक्स्ट्रा वाटर होता है. नेक्स्ट इज वाटर, रिवर वाटर डिस्प्यूट्स बिटवीन स्टेट्स. या सो रिवर वाटर क्या है? डिस्प्यूट्स बिटवीन स्टेट्स, बहुत सारे स्टेट्स को डिस्प्यूट कर सकते हैं. 6 is shrinking of channels due to the extension of settlements towards the vlog. So here, because most of the people, human settlements also you can see in the river bank, and ये क्या करते हैं, ये जो चैनल्स है ड्यू टू एक्सटेंशन होता है सेटलमेंट्स का, बहुत सारे जहाँ जहाँ पे आपको रिवर्स दिखेंगे वहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली सेटलमेंट्स आपको दिखेंगे. So why are the rivers polluted? Have you seen the dirty waters of cities entering into the rivers? Where do the industrial effluents and wastage get disposed of? Most of the cremation grounds are one of the banks of river. Whatever, because we required in water in domestic, municipal and agriculture especially, and industrial areas we required water. But what we are doing, because population, how population increased, similarly waste भी क्या हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. लोग जितना waste निकल के आ रहा है वो सारा कहाँ जा रहा है? Drains into water, it drains into river. Okay, so through this we can say water pollution, river pollution बहुत extra हो रहा है. So on the occasion of some festivals, the flowers, statues are immersed in the rivers. Large scale bathing and washing of the clothes also pollute river. So these are the some reasons कि लोग, what actually people are doing, okay, how they pollute river water. Okay, So students, you have to read this chapter, then you can understand. And the important thing which I already marked here, there are some tables which you have to read. Okay, study this table and this one also, and this already I explained in the first part. So revise this chapter again and make complete notes of this chapter. Thank you so much, student.